Basic English conversation. Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What is your name?
My name is Kevin. What is your name? My name is Angelina. Nice to meet you, Angelina. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I am 7 years old. What about you? I am 7 years old, too.
This is my sister.
This is my sister. She's cute. Yes, she is. What is her name? Her name is Dora. How old is she? She is 3 years old. Is she tall? No, she isn't tall.
I have a dog.
I have a dog. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. What's his name? His name is Poppy. What color is he? He's brown and white. Is he big? No, he's small.
I have cousins.
I have cousins. They are twins. Are they boys? No, they're not. They are girls. Are they tall? No, they're not tall. They are short. How old are they? They're 1 year old. What are their names? Angel and Lita.
Do you like bananas?
Do you like oranges?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bananas?
Yes.
Do you like pineapple?
No, I don't.
Do you like pineapple?
Yes.
Do you like cherries?
Yes, I like cherries.
When do you go to school?
When do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school at 9 o'clock. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock.